I'm Elaine Harding. Welcome to my blog .stampwithelaine.com and welcome to this Wednesday's project. I'm using the Bird Banter stamp set. Unfortunately, this is one of the retiring stamps, and using the narrow note cards and envelopes. They only come in Whisper White. There are 40 in a pack, and this is the card we're going to be making today. In addition to your narrow note cards and envelopes, you need a piece of Whisper White cut 2 1/4 inches by 4 1/4 inches. That's 5.7 by 10.8 centimeters. You'll also need a layer cut in, this is powder pink, 2 3/8 by 4 3/8. That's 6 centimeters by 11.1 centimeters. The inks I'm using are Tuxedo Black Memento ink and Smoky Slate, and I'm using the stamping blends. This is in Pink Pirouette, the Smoky Slate combo packs, and Daffodil Delight, the lighter one, and the lighter Calypso Coral. Old Olive marker, glitter enamel dots, tailor tag punch, some Whisper White scrap and powder pink scrap. I've mounted my stamps on an A, G, C and H block. I need my foam mat and some scratch paper. Because these are photopolymer stamps, you need an extra cushion. Get my piece of Whisper White, and first I ink up the leaf, or rather the branch, in Tuxedo Memento Black. Next I'll stamp the cockatoo. And then we'll get down to our colouring. Now the head feathers, this is Calypso Coral in the light. And then there's a little bit of yellow in the middle. Followed by the pink. Actually, I'll make that a darker pink because you can't see it. I googled a galah to make sure I had the colour references right, and they're pink and grey. So I'm going to colour the wings in grey, and I'll probably speed this up. Then I'll colour his body and start with the dark pink pirouette first, just on the undercarriage. Next, just fill in the leaves with the Old Olive marker. Glue the back of the pink, the powder pink piece. Glue the back of the Whisper White layer on top of the powder pink layer. Punch out a tag label punch, tailor label punch, in the powder pink as well as the Whisper White. Now this was a tip I did yesterday in my Top Tip Tuesday slot. I want to make a border, so if I cut that off, and then on the edge do the same. A layer that I can mat on top. So often we make it bigger, not smaller, so this is making it smaller. Glue the bottom to the card. like so. Bring in my foam mat again and stamp a sentiment in smoky slate. Grab the dimensionals and pop that on top. Glitter enamel dot on it, and then now we can tackle the inside. Now, because the blender pens bleed, I'm going to stamp it on this side. So bring back my mat, and this time I want to stamp the balloon in Tuxedo Black Memento ink. With hindsight, I should have done this first before I put my label on, but no matter, it's okay. That went on all right. And then more colouring. So I'll have a pink balloon and a grey balloon. Start with a darker shade first, just on one side. And now for the smoky slate. So dark on one side, in Memento Black, and the heart in Powder Pink. Here are some other examples. I made one for the toucan using all the other stamps, and this is the red flamed macaw and some budgerigars and another toucan. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe or share if you haven't already. I'm grateful thanks if you do. If you're watching from YouTube, you'll find this list of supplies I use below this video in the Show More section, with direct links to my online store. They'll also be listed on my blog at blog.stampwithelaine.com. You can find me on Pinterest, Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye!